Forms of condensation. Atmosphere should reach the saturation level for condensation to begin. With further addition of water vapor or dew to the considerable fall in our temperature, the water vapor in the atmosphere begins to condense. Let's see different types of condensation.
Ellen, there's moisture on the outside of my glass.
It's condensation, Johnny.
But what about the fog on the windows?
It's not fog, Johnny. It too is called condensation.
Condensation.
So what happens to water vapor in the air as the air cools? Well, if you remember, the warmer the air, the more water it can hold. So as it cools, that water vapor is going to condense and turn from gas to liquid. The temperature that is needed in order to turn this water from gas to liquid is called the dew point. The more water in the air, the less it has to cool, since it will reach its dew point quicker. Another important thing needed in order for condensation to occur in the air and for dew point is called condensation nuclei, which is the term for tiny particles in the air for water to condense onto. These particles can come from different dust, salt, different elements, as well as burning particles in the air. Let's take a look at an example. Air temperature is going to be above 0 degrees Celsius. The water vapor forms dew. If the air temperature is below 0 degrees, the water vapor becomes frost. These droplets of water in the air around the condensation nuclei are so tiny that they will fall slowly, and the slightest air movement will keep them suspended. When this happens, it creates fog. That's all we need to know for today. Next, we're going to discuss how water in the air causes cloud formation and rain. Make sure to answer the questions in the form and hit submit. If you